Guys, we're back dito sa Clark SM just because wala kami magawa today and mainit. So, we decided na mag-mall kasi hindi naman natin masyadong nakita to nung last time na nandito kami. So, today kasama ulit namin sila Dayan, sila Nico, and yung mga kids. So, gala-gala muna kami. Not sure kung ano munang gagawin namin. Kuya Elijah is on the camera, obviously.
What's up, guys?
I really wanna try Mang Inasal kasi hindi pa ako nakakain sa Mang Inasal. You got it. April got kung ano iniisip ko.
I want their barbecue.
Yeah, they're gonna be good, man. Mag-hi ka naman. Ano bang pangalan mo? Si Wendy. Kasama nila Dayan sa bahay. Kasama din yung anak ni Wendy. Yun. Hi, Danica. Hi. There's Danica. Tuwa si Danica. Nakalabas na naman. I think Kuya Elijah wants another baby.
I want a baby sister.
Baby sister. Bumili ka. Bumili ka ng baby sister.
Where?
Where? Ayan, no, bilhin mo yan.
No.
Gusto mo pumunta ng Canada? Yes?
Opo.
Yes? Yes? Yeah, let's go! Sobrang daming tao na naman dito kasi weekend. Nag-window shopping na naman ang mga tao, no? Window shopping. Para kami lang, mag-window shopping lang kami. Guys, we're here at Mang Inasal finally. First time namin makakainan to this trip. Let's go. I'm so excited. Siksikan ngayon dito. Parang merong sabong. So excited to eat Mang Inasal again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nandun sila Dayan sa other table. We're here. Chicken oil and then soy sauce.
Chicken oil?
Yeah.
The barbecue chicken oil.
Yeah, chicken oil.
Yeah.
We're all wearing white. It's not the best restaurant to go at. Let's go. Elijah, what would you rate Chicken Inasal?
9.5.
Wow! W for Mang Inasal. What would you rate Mang Inasal chicken?
11.
11 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. W for Mang Inasal. For me, 9. W Mang Inasal. W. Hi, Emil.
Hi, Daddy.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Nandito kami sa carousel. Nandito sila Kuya Elijah. Hi, Kuya Elijah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bye, Mama.
Wait. I need to first
Say hi to Mama. Say hi to Mama.
Hi, Mama. Here we are. Hi to Mama.
Hi to Mama.
Mama, where are you?
Look at the camera. Smile. Look at you. Look at you. Oh. Wow. Wow. It's you.
It's you.
Guys, umalis na kami sa mall. Dito kami ngayon sa Lala Garden ba to? I don't know. Ganda niya, oh. Tingnan nyo. Isa siyang cafe na malaki dito sa Clark din. I think this is still part of Clark. Lala Garden Cafe. Yun ang pangalan niya. Ang ganda, oh. Very, very nice. Tapos may fountain pa. Nice. I like it. Inom muna kami ng coffee. Ito yung POV sa taas. Tapos ito yung POV ng nanay. Malapit na pala tayo sa Angeles, Pampanga. Kakain kami mamaya ng puto bongbong. Yun yung goal namin today. Kuya, be careful.
Thank you.
Wow, pogi yung server namin, oh.
Tip me.
Yeah, tip you. Tuntuin kita. Ang tip mo.
Did it fall?
No. Sumasagot tong server ko. Sampalin ko kaya to ah.
I'm joking.
There you go, server. Put it there, server. Thank you.
Look at this guy.
What's that?
I don't know the name, but it's like some sort of meaty, small hot dog pizza, I guess.
Can I take a bite?
Cheeseful.
Okay guys, we're out of here. Hanap kami ng puto bongbong. Let's go. Guys, we're here at Angeles. Kakain tayo ng puto bongbong. Ganda ng simbahan nila dito, oh. Dito tayo kakain. Hanap tayo ng puto bongbong. Dito daw ang maganda. Oh, there it is. Puto bongbong is right there.
Smell it.
Ito na yung authentic puto bongbong. Ito ako. Basta may discount. Okay. Guys, ito na yung hinahanap natin. Tingnan natin kung lasa-lasa siya.
Oh my gosh.
Sarap. Try it. Ellis, try it. So good, bro.
Here, I'll try. Ah.
Kaya like ya?
Ano, ube?
Yeah, it's like Uber flavor. Ikaw, Kuya Ellis.
Oh!
Right? Bro, see? Bro, gonna try the authentic puto bongbong. Kayain mo.
Infinite.
Kayain mo muna. Good? W?
Perfect.
Perfect. Yes, we got it. Look guys, yung gusto din ni Kuya Ellis, oh. Tempura crab. Oh, bili mo yan ng tempura crab. Wow, Ellis. Let me see your face. You like that one? Yeah. Bibili na po kami.
Mama, I want this.
Choboki. What's that? What's that? Crab stick. Wow. Is it yummy? Can I try? Guys, first time namin dito sa Angeles. Maganda siya. This is Angeles, no Angeles. Angeles is nice. This church is nice. So, after nito, uwi na kami. It's been a long day. I don't know what tomorrow's gala will be. Alright guys, syempre hindi tayo uuwi na hindi tinatry si Aling Lusing. Authentic sisig dito sa Philippines. Especially, dito nag-originated ang sisig, di ba? We secured the bag. The bag is secured. Try Aling Lusing authentic sisig.
No, sisig.
Masarap kaya siya. Goods. Sarap. Aling Lusing, mabuhay ka.